Don't settle for comfy when you can get cozy with Promptus. Hi, I'm Claudia, co-founder of Promptus. If you've ever used ComfyUI, you know it's powerful, but also a little too hands-on. You end up spending hours hunting down models on Hugging Face, troubleshooting broken custom nodes, having to install LoRA files, or tweaking your security settings, and all while trying to find the right parameters. It's all inside a complex Canva-style node editor. CosyFlows inside the Promptus Playground changed that. We've taken some of the most powerful and popular ComfyUI workflows like Flux Context, WAN 2.2, Lipsync, and hundreds more, and made them one-click simple. Just choose your CosyFlow, and Promptus automatically selects the model, loads the right inputs, and gives you a clean, dynamic form. Type your prompt, hit generate, and your image or video is ready. No downloads, no dependency errors, no "why isn't this node working" moments. Maximum convenience, minimum setup, fully secure. So, stop wrestling with ComfyUI and get cozy with Promptus. Download the Promptus Windows app or sign up for Promptus Web today at promptus.ai.